A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four stars Sudoku. In addition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, March the 27th, 2023, almost end of the month. We have already solved one puzzle, the three star Sudoku, so three puzzles remain: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in the four stars Sudoku. Four star Sudoku number 8262. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 3 ones here. We have here 4 twos. All right. We have here 3 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 1 7, 4 eights. All right, and 3 nines. So the 2s and 8s are in majority. Can I start with an 8? 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places 11, 8 should be here. On there, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places 11, 8 should be here. On there, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places 11, 8 should be here. On there, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Here we have 8, 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about 2? 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places 11, 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in this column, set column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright, still cannot continue with the 8. How about these 4 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this row should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Well, 3, 3. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5 in the 6 is missing. 4 to 6, 4 to 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Well, need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. 7, 9, 6. 7, 9, 6. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9. Others should be 1, 4, and the 5. 1, 4, 5. Well, we need a 1 in this big square. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 Could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 in the first, in the middle column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes, and 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have 3 and a 9 in this row, so no 3 and 9 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 and 9 in the second column, so no 3 and 9 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 3 and 9. Goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. Alright. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. Well, 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. Well, we have a 3 and a 9 in this box, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. So the 3 and 9 should be here. 3 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6. 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Well. There's 6 here. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 now in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Well. Here's 6, 7, 9. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Alright. 6 is missing here. Need a 6 there. Yeah, 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8. That means 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5 and the 6. 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Alright. Now. Let me see. Need a 9 here. Yeah. I've marked those 2 boxes with 3 and a 9. We already have a 9 here. Overlooked. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 9. I've marked this box with a 3 and a 9. We have a 9 here. So this box should be a 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left on the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 7 and a 3, we have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. Alright. And now, We have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 3 boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then thinking. Here 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Here we have 6, 7, 9. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and 7. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left should be the 9. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 to 5, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7 and 8, we have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left on 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes again. Wow. Surprise. Because I thought maybe I need 20 minutes, 30 minutes. But we solve it again in 12 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.